Welcome student, welcome to our YouTube channel, class 11 student. Today's topic is complex number. Today's topic is complex number. What is complex number? You know, if x square minus 1 is equal to 0, what is the value of x? X is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, but x square plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? This is equal to x square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to root over of minus 1. I already told this is not in your syllabus for ICSE, ICSC and class 10 student. Okay, now class 11, this is in your syllabus. This number is called I. I is equal to complex number. Okay, this is not a real number. This I is called a complex number. What is complex number? Complex number is equal to I. The value of complex number is equal to root over of minus 1. This is in your syllabus, class 11 syllabus. Complex number included. Okay, the x is equal to I. Now, what is the way to write complex number? Z is equal to complex number. Z is called a complex number, capital Z. This is denoted as A plus IB, where A comma B real number. Okay student, this is real number. A and B real number. Z is equal to A plus IB. I is equal to root over of minus 1. This is a complex number. Now, what is the way to add? Suppose Z1 plus Z2. The value of Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID. Now put here A plus IB plus C plus ID. What is the way? A plus C plus I into B plus D. You add A plus C. This is a real part. You add and this part is called a complex part because I is into. That's why this part is real and this part is complex. A and B are real and here A part is equal to real part and IB is equal to complex part. Okay. Now, A plus C plus I is common, B plus D. Here this part is real and this part is complex. Because I is multiplied B plus D. That's why this total part is called a real part and this total part is called a complex part. Am I clear? Now, what is the way to minus or subtraction? What is the way to find out subtraction? Now, suppose Z1 equal to A plus IB, Z2 equal to C plus ID. What is Z1 minus Z2? This is equal to A plus IB minus C plus ID. A minus C, I is common, B minus D. Okay, this is the way to find out subtraction and this part is a real part and this part is a complex part. Am I clear? Now, how to find into? Now, find out multiplication, the value of Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2. What is the way? A plus IB dot C plus ID. Now you multiply AC plus I into BC plus I into AD plus I square B and D. AC, I is common, BC plus AD, I square is equal to root over of minus 1 is square. That's why root is absorbed. Only minus is come out. তাহলে AC minus BD you put here and plus I into BC plus AD. Okay, তাহলে this is real part and this is a complex part. I square, what is the value of I square? I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. What is the value of I cube? This is equal to I square into I. I square is minus 1 and I is equal to root over of minus 1. That is minus of root over of minus 1. This is the value of I cube. Now what is the value of I to the power 4? I to the power 4 is equal to I square into I square. Minus 1 into minus 1. This is equal to plus 1. Okay, hence formula of complex number I equal to root over of minus 1. I square is equal to only minus 1. I cube is equal to minus I and I to the power 4 is equal to only 1. Am I clear, student? These are the formula of complex number. Now, what is conjugate? What is conjugate? If Z equal to A plus IB, what is Z bar? Z bar is equal to conjugate. Conjugate means A minus IB. If sign is opposite, this is called a conjugate. Now, this is Z and Z bar is equal to conjugate. The value of Z bar is A minus IB. Now you find Z1 by Z2, where Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID. You find the division. So this is A plus IB and here C plus ID. Now you find the value of this. At first you multiply conjugate by numerator and denominator both. Conjugate of C plus ID equal to C minus ID and C plus ID into C minus ID. Now, this is equal to A into C. I already told what is the way to find out the value of multiplication. AC plus I into BC minus I into AD minus I square into BD divided by A square minus B square. C square minus I square D square. Okay, AC I minus I square is equal to plus BD, because I square is minus 1 and minus is already present. That's why this is, and plus I into BC minus AD divided by C square plus D square. What is real part and what is imaginary part? Real part is equal to AC plus BD divided by C square plus D square. This total part is equal to real and plus BC minus AD divided by C square plus D square. This total part is equal to complex. Okay, divide two parts, real part and complex part. Okay. Now, modulus of complex number or mod of complex number. This is a sign of modulus. A plus IB. Z equal to A plus IB. What is the modulus? This is equal to A square plus B square root. This is a mod of Z. Root over of A square plus B square is a mod of Z. Now, example number 1. Okay. Now, question is minus 9 into root over of minus 4. What is the value? So this is equal to root over of 9 into root over of minus 1. Root over of 4 into root over of minus 1. Root 9 is 3 and this is equal to I. Root 4 is 2 and this is equal to I. 3 into 2, 6 into I square. 6 into I square means minus 1. I already told the I square value is minus 1. The total value is minus 6. This is example 1. Root over of minus 9 equal to root over of 9 into root over of minus 1 and here root over of 4 into root over of minus 1 and put the value of I and root of 9 is equal to 3 and root of 4 equal to 2. So the 3 2s are 6 and I square the value is minus 6. Now come to example number 2. Now find the value of x and y where 2y plus 3x minus y into I, this is equal to 5 minus 2y. Okay, now this part is real part and this part is complex or imaginary part. Here this part is real and this part is imaginary. You compare real to real and imaginary to imaginary. Means 2y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y, this is equal to minus 2. Okay, hence y equal to 5 by 2 or 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2 or 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 5. This is equal to 3x or 3x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 1 by 6. This is my required answer. Okay, y equal to 5 by 2 and x is equal to 1 by 6. This is 3x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, this is the way to find out the value of x and y. Now example number 3. Find the value of I to the power minus 35. You divide 35 into 4. This is 8 ja 32 and remaining part is 3. You put here minus 35 and 1 by I to the power 35. This is equal to 1 by I whole to the power 4 into 8 plus 3. Now 1 by I to the power 32 into 1 by I to the power cube. This is equal to 1 because I to the power 4 equal to 1. That's why 1 by I to the power 4 whole to the power 8. This is equal to also 1 and 1 by I cube equal to, this is 1 and 1 by I cube equal to minus I, and now I equal to I to the power 4 by minus I, and this part is cancelled. This is equal to I cube minus I cube equal to minus I, and minus I or minus, this is equal to plus I. This is my required answer. I is my required answer. Understood? At first you divide 4 and now put the value and find the result. This total part is called a 1 and this is equal to minus I square is equal to minus I, and you I equal to 1 equal to I to the power 4 and this part is totally cancelled. I cube equal to minus I, minus is already present, this is equal to minus a plus I. Okay. Now find the value of I plus I square plus I cube plus I to the power 4. This is equal to I square is equal to minus 1, I cube equal to minus I to the power 4 equal to 1. So what is result? Result is 0. Now example number 5. Now find the value. So a plus b whole square. This is equal to 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 into root over of minus 3 root over of minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 into root over of minus 3 plus root over of minus 3 whole square. Okay, so 1 and this is minus 2 into root 3I, and here only minus 3 plus 1 minus a plus 2 into root 3I, and this is equal to minus 3, and this part is cancelled. 1 plus 1 2, minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6. This is equal to minus 4. Minus root 3 square, this is equal to only minus 3. Okay, so minus 4 is my required answer. That's all for today. That's all for today, student. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. That's all.